Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I am Shantanu and I welcome you all to the first part of our April 2021 current affairs session जिसमें हम लोग कई सारे important questions practice करेंगे from 1st April till 15th of April. Alright, so ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा important होने वाला है for your exams and also for your interviews. Alright, so please watch this video till the end और जो आपको end में assignment questions होंगे उनको भी आप please attempt करिएगा comment section में. And as always, you can contact me on these social media platforms and also visit novation.in if you want the free PDFs of these lectures and if you want to support Novation by going to the donate button. Alright friends, so with that, I'll start today's session. The first question for today, as per the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report of 2021, what is India's rank among 156 countries? So friends, not a very good news. We are on the 140th position out of 156 countries. So this year our rank has actually fallen by 28 places. Okay, so earlier we were we were 112th and now this time we are on the 140th position. Alright, so this was as per the global report of gender gap report of 2021 and we have become the third worst performer of South Asia. Okay, so we need to work on that. Next, name the hotel in India which became the world's first hotel to achieve LEED LEED zero carbon certification. फ्रेंड्स, ये सर्टिफिकेशन उन होटल्स को दिया जाता है जो कि नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी को यूज़ करते हैं अपने फंक्शनिंग में. ऑलराइट, सो इंडिया में वर्ल्ड में फर्स्ट होटल जिसको मिला है वो इंडिया में है और दैट इज़ ITC Windsor बेंगलुरु. ओके, so this property, ITC Windsor, is powered by in-house wind turbine generators and it relies on electrical boilers, induction burners and other renewable energy sources of sustenance. So that was the reason why they have been chosen for this award, because they are totally reducing their carbon footprints. Alright. Next, who among the following received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2019? Very important, yet a no-brainer. आप लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया पे भी देखा होगा या न्यूज़ में सुना होगा. So here the correct answer is B, Rajnikant. Alright. So actor turned politician Rajnikant will receive the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2019. That is the highest film honor of India. Okay, so that's a very big achievement, I would say. Next, the Indian Army will participate in multinational military exercise named Shantir Orgushena 2021 in which of the following countries? So friends, this exercise is being conducted in Bangladesh और यहाँ पर multinational exercise है, तो कई सारी countries इसमें participate करेंगी. For example, along with India, there will be Bangladeshi army, then Bhutan, Sri Lankan and Bangladesh armies. All right. Next, the FIFA World's Women Cup 2023 will be held in which of the following countries? So friends, here the correct answer is D, both A and C, that is New Zealand and Australia. Both of them will combinedly host this World Cup, FIFA Women's World Cup of 2023, and this is going to last from 10th July to 20th August in 2023. This is the logo. Next, India attracted the highest foreign direct investment, that is FDI inflow during April 2020 to January 2021 from which of the following countries? So हम पिछले फाइनेंशियल ईयर के फर्स्ट 10 मंथ्स की बात कर रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स. ओके, लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर में. सो ये रिसेंटली इसका डेटा रिलीज हुआ है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, सिंगापुर. सो सिंगापुर sends the highest amount of FDI in India in this 10 months. Let's look at the PTN. So India attracted around $72 billion of FDI during April 2020 to 2021 January. So this time Singapore is the top investor with 30% out of this 72 billion which we are talking about. Around 30% is from Singapore. All right. Then second number पे कौन आता है? US and third is UAE. First पे है अपना Singapore. Next, who among the following was recently appointed as the Chief Justice of India CJI by the Honorable President? So here the correct answer is D, Justice NV Ramanna. So friends, this is a very important question. आप लोग न्यूज़ में आने वाले दिनों में कई बार इनका नाम सुनेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो कई बार ये भी पूछा जाता है कि वो कौन से नंबर के CJI हैं, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ही इज़ द 48th Chief Justice of India and he is going to have a tenure of around 1 year and 4 months. Next is, हु विल रिसीव छत्तीसगढ़ वीरनी अवार्ड। सो छत्तीसगढ़ गवर्नमेंट ये अवार्ड देती है दोस्तों, और इस बार ये किसको मिलने वाला है? डी दुती चंद को। शी इज़ एन एथलीट, अ रनर, and this award, which is instituted by Chhattisgarh state government, it recognizes the contribution of Indian women in different fields including sports. Okay, next is, which of the following model jails has become India's first Eat Right campus? Now ये Eat Right campus क्या है दोस्तों, वो हम देखेंगे. Here the correct answer is B, Chandigarh. So this Eat Right campus is only given when certain criteria have been met, and FSSAI actually audits that campus. So let's see the criteria. So the parameters or the criteria include steps to ensure provision of healthy and environmentally sustainable food. यानी कि आपको वहाँ पर healthy food, nutritious food मिलना चाहिए, and there should be awareness among individuals on the campus to make the right food choices. All right. Next, who was appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner of India recently? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Sushil Chandra, and Sushil Chandra has taken the position after Sunil Arora, who has been retired from the position. So the PTN, let's see. So under him, the Election Commission is going to hold the assembly elections in Goa, Manipur, Uttarakhand, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. You can see Mr. Sushil in the photograph. Next, who won the 2021 Miami Open men's single title? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Hubert Hurkacz, and he is a player from Poland. He defeated Jannik Sinner of Italy in the finals, and with this victory, Hurkacz became the first Polish man to win Masters 1000 single title. You can see Hubert in the photograph. Next is, to which country India recently gifted the fast petrol vehicle FPV called PS Zoroaster? So friends, here the correct answer is D, Seychelles. Seychelles को ये fast petrol vehicle gift किया गया है, and it is worth rupees 100 crores, and this has been given to the Seychelles Coast Guard at a virtual event which was presided by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Next, which country's COVID-19 vaccine was approved by Drug Controller General of India DCGI recently? So friends, here the correct answer is A, Russia, Sputnik V. Now Sputnik V को भी अनुमति मिल गई है. Now it can be used for Indian people also, and with this approval, India has 3 COVID-19 vaccines now: Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik V. और Sputnik V का भी friends manufacturing India में ही होगा. If I'm not wrong, it will be manufactured in Hyderabad. Okay, but please check this fact. Next, which of the following companies acquired the exam preparation firm Akash Educational Services Limited? Friends, this is a very important business awareness question. Alright, और अगर आपने business awareness series अभी तक नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज़ आप उसको देखिए. Its link will be in the description section and also on the top right corner of your screens. Alright, so आप उसको भी देखिए please. So here the correct answer is B, Byju's. Byju has acquired Akash Educational Services. And as per the sources or the news sources, the deal is worth around $1 billion. Okay, and this is going to be a strategic partnership with AESL, leader in test preparation services. Byju has said this. Okay, so with that friends, we are on the assignment part of this video. आप प्लीज़ मुझे इन दोनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए. फर्स्ट इज, हु सिक्योर्ड द फर्स्ट स्पॉट ऑन फोर्ब्स 10 richest Indian billionaires of 2021 list? Friends, very easy question, आप सबको पता होगा. Next, which country has become first country to introduce a law that will require banks, insurers, and investment manager to report the impact of climate change on their businesses? So इस country का नाम भी आप मुझे please comment section में बताइए. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. I hope the video was helpful और आपने कई सारी चीज़ें वीडियो के साथ सीखी होंगी. And if you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, static GK, verbal ability, etc. And if you like the content of Novation and it has helped you, please go ahead and visit novation.in. Here you can support us by going to the donate button because Novation really needs your support. Alright friends, so I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye, and please take care.